Today we are diving into how to create a work order and manage the production process in Scala. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. To open a new work order, simply click the plus button at the bottom right and click this. This brings up the work order screen. The moment we enter the production name, Skala automatically fills the recipe and the production steps. But hey, we're in control. Need to add or remove materials from the recipe? Go for it. Want to adjust operations? No problem. Now we set the planned quantity, which tells the system how much we want to produce, and Scala calculates the cost accordingly. The source means where materials are coming from, and the target means the finished product will be stored. Hit save and you'll see some new buttons appear at the top. If we click the print button, we can get the work order as a PDF file. Now let's check the material list. This screen shows all materials needed for production. If we need to purchase anything, we can select it here. Scala will then take us directly to the purchase order creation screen, and guess what? The details are already filled in for us. Just enter the supplier information, hit save, and boom, our purchase order is ready. We can now head over to the sales screen, where we'll see the purchase we just created. Once the materials arrive, we click receive and the purchase is complete. Time to move to the production screen. Here we can start operations, and if needed, we can use the mobile operator app to start operations, pause them, and complete them. Now let's finish all operations and see what happens next. Let's go to the stock screen. Here we can see that our stock levels has been updated. Want more details? Click on the quantity to check all stock movements. For example, we can see that our WO1 work order resulted in 5 units being produced. Heading over to the work orders screen, we can open our completed work order and check out all the details. And here is a cool part. There is an analysis button. This gives us a full breakdown of production costs and detail, helping us understand exactly what went into making our product. And that's it. We just created a work order, managed materials, started production, and analyzed the results, all in Scala. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a tip. See you in the next one.